Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Whimsical for quick UX wireframes and flows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Whimsical for quick UX wireframes and flows, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Whimsical website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required details, like your email address and password. Alternatively, you can sign in using Google or Slack if you prefer. Once logged in, you will land on the Whimsical dashboard. Look for the New Document button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on this button to start a new project. Choose Wireframe from the options presented. You'll be directed to a blank canvas designed for wireframing. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Here, you will find various UI components, such as buttons, forms, and icons. Drag and drop elements from the toolbar onto the canvas. To connect elements, use the connector tool found in the toolbar. Select the starting point, then drag the line to another element to create a flow. You can customize each element by clicking on it and using the Properties panel on the right. Adjust colors, sizes, and text to suit your design needs. To add notes or annotations, use the Sticky Note tool available in the toolbar. Once you've completed your wireframe, click on the Share button to collaborate with your team. You can choose to share a link or invite team members via email. To export your wireframe, click on the Export option in the top menu. Select your desired file format for download. With these steps, you're now ready to create quick UX wireframes and flows in Whimsical. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.